Mamuka.
How? Solo?
Mommy.
Huh?
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon.
Mamuka. All the time while they pass your backyard, you get this ripe fruit where they see where. So I don't come see my pluck am.
My daughter never reached it to marry. Oka never reached to marry. No, be just last week where she entered 40 years. Monopause still give am like 2 weeks now. He never reached to marry. She be small pikin. Oh?
I don't say I want marry your pikin.
She what?
See, now papa we don't ripe for up this proposal. Now I come beg you, say what I feel pluck am.
You are think say na parable wey we dey use wey we big people now. Think say na my daughter I wan marry.
I mean, marry your daughter. God forbid.
See this one, I don't even agree before. Me sef I don't even want my pikin marry people wey be say they rich for body, get big man body, but I can't dry.
Hey! Hey! Jesus Christ. Then Tiagasa.